Hey guys, Gina here and welcome back to my channel. So today I have another Dollar Tree DIY for you guys. So I've been loving making these DIY videos for you guys. Let me know in the comment section below if you are enjoying them as well. Okay, you guys, so for this DIY, you're going to need some florals. Everything's from the Dollar Tree. You're going to need some newspaper, a witch's hat, and then you're also going to need some floral foam and a pumpkin, which I did not use, and a hot glue gun. So what I did is I stuffed the cone part of the hat with newspaper, and then I went ahead and put the floral foam in the center, and then I went ahead and started poking my florals through, and I found that the best way to work this DIY was just to go ahead and put the hat in between my legs because it helped with the placing of all the florals. So this took me quite some time to do. But just, take your time and place everything the way that you would like it. It does not have to be perfect, you guys. And then I went ahead and took apart some of the single roses and used my hot glue gun just to fill the sparse areas, just to make sure everything was covered. And probably the favorite focal point of this was the glitter branches, because it just reminded me of a witch's broom. So this is an easy witch's hat wreath, and you guys can get everything from the Dollar Tree. So I hope you guys like this DIY. I'm loving doing these for you guys, and I will talk to you guys all later. Happy Halloween!